YouTubers, it's me, Kinghuman, and in this video, I'm going to give you a done-for-you turnkey business. This is cool. It's something you can use to grow your social media channels. It's something you can use to make fast money by selling it yourself. It's something you can use to build your email list and make money on demand with email affiliate marketing. Personally, I've made over 7 figures doing this, so you should really pay attention. The best thing about this is you don't need advanced tech skills. The hard part is completely done for you. You don't need lots of money. You don't need to make, buy, or ship products. And you're really not limited as to how much money you can make with this. You can do this from anywhere in the world using just a laptop and an internet connection. This isn't hard at all. It just takes a little bit of ambition and a few minutes a week. Do this right and you might be able to fire your boss. Okay, so let's get into this and I'll show you how easy this is and how it can help you make money online. All right. Here we go, guys. It's me, Kinghuman, and check this out. I made this for you. I put this together to try and help you guys make some money. So bear with me and watch this whole video because I'm going to explain how this is going to work. So what's going on here is I made a website, and here it is, onlineincomemagazine.com. It's the free online income magazine that makes you money. So what's doing here is I am giving you this magazine. Not only am I giving you this magazine for you to benefit from personally, but I'm giving you the rights to sell it, to give it away, to use it to build your email list, use it to build your social media following, on and on and on. So in a minute, I'm going to explain all that to you guys. But here's the thing. Okay, this website is pretty simple. Pretty ready to go, right? There is no opt-in. There is no subscription. There is nothing here harvesting your information or harvesting anybody's information that you send to this website. And the reason I designed it that way is so that you could use this website as your own property per se. You can use the magazine as your own property per se, as your own lead generation tool, as your own product. Again, you can sell it, you can give it away, you can do whatever you want. So when you click on this free download to get the magazine, a pop-up's not going to come up and say, give us your email address, give us your information. No, none of that shit. You're going to be able to download it. Anybody you send to this website is just going to be able to download the file. It's a zip file with the magazine in it. And it's got one file, one README file in the zip file as well. So here's what's doing. This is an asset, like I say, that you can use however you want. So how do you do that? How do you make this work for you? Well, a couple of different ways. You can download the magazine and you can use it to build your list, your email list, which is automated income on demand. If you don't know about email marketing, I'm not going to teach it to you again in this video. You're going to have to watch some of my other videos to learn that, or make a comment below that says, hey, Kinghuman, expand on how I can make money email marketing and with an automated income robot. But let me just touch on this real quick because most of you already know how to do this. So this is an opt-in page. This is one of my opt-in pages. It's a real quick and dirty little opt-in page, right? Very simple. And it's got a headline, it's got a subheadline, and it's got an opt-in form down here. So this is what I encourage you guys to do. Download the magazine and make a simple page like this. Now, if you want to look at this page in depth, you can. It's exactblueprint.com. But here's what I suggest you do. Use this as kind of an outline for an opt-in page that you should put together. Why? Because this is believe it or not, one of my highest converting opt-in pages. I get so many people opting into this. You don't believe it. I mean, it's just off the hinges. But anyway, instead of having this headline, how you can legally hijack tons of money with just a few mouse clicks, you would put something like how you can make $228 a day with a free magazine, or from the information you'll get with our free magazine. Something like that. I'm not going to write this for you. I'm not going to do it for you. I'm going to give you a way to set this up, right? Now, here is what you want to do with, here's where you want to put your opt-in form. Now, in order to put in an opt-in form like this, you're going to need an autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse, whatever. And all you do is make your form and drop the HTML on a page like this. This is a Wix page. I made this with Wix. Very simple to do. Again, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, simply make a comment below saying, Kinghuman, give us a step-by-step on how to make this opt-in page. Because you've already got the free asset, right? You've already got the lead magnet, this right here. And that's something people are going to want to get. So you can download this and make this your lead magnet for your opt-in page. And people will subscribe and get on your list just to get this magazine. Why do you want people on your list? Because that's money on demand. I make a ton of money email marketing. So I send out emails to people telling them about certain things that they can get that will help them in certain ways. And if they buy the product, I make money. It's called affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what that is, boy, you got to go back and look at some of my videos. Come on, guys. This is a done-for-you business. But let me show you what else I've done for you, because this is an asset that you, like I say, you can use in a bunch of different ways to make you money. You can use it as a lead magnet to grow your list. You can use it to grow your social media following on Facebook, on YouTube, on Kishmiam Tokas, you know, whatever. It's something you can give away for free and people will want it. But here's the other thing I have built for you. I have built this page. Now, what is this page about? This is a page where you send people to after they opt in to your email list, if that's what you're going to use this for, right? So the URL of this page is onlineincomemagazine.com/congrats. Now, why did I make this page? Well, because when somebody opts into your list, you don't want to send them directly to a download page necessarily. What you want to do is you want to say, hey, congratulations, you're getting your free online income magazine. Please allow 5 minutes for it to arrive. When it arrives, be sure to whitelist our email address so you don't miss any issues in the future. Right? Now, the reason you want to do that is it makes people give you their real email address. So in other words, you set this up in your autoresponder. And again, that's this right here. So when people enter their name and their email address and they hit click on Get Instant Access, they're going to land on the congratulations page. They're not going to land on a download page where they can instantly download the product. Why? Because you want their real email address. So if they come here and they enter a bogus email address and they click on this and they get to this page, because your autoresponder is going to send them to this page automatically. Again, if you don't know how to do that, make a comment below and ask me to teach you how to do that. It's not hard. But automatically, they're going to be sent to this page and they're going to say, oh, I'm not getting my magazine download. They're sending it to my email. They weren't lying. Well, I better go back and enter my real email address. And then they enter their real email address. So you're going to make sure by having this page instead of a direct download page like this, that you're getting the real email address. However, I made this page for you as well, just in case you want to use a free download page. I've hosted the file, so if they come to this page, and this is onlineincomemagazine.com/download. So if they come to this page, they're going to see this, your free download. Here's the free download of your Online Income Magazine issue. Just click the magazine issue cover to download it. There it is. If they click on that, they're going to get the download box, right? Please enjoy it with our compliments. We welcome you into the Online Income Magazine family, and we know you'll enjoy getting Online Income Magazine delivered into your inbox every month. Whitelist our email address and keep an eye out for our next monthly issue. Cheers, the Online Income Magazine crew. So this is a page. It's not in the menu, so you can send people directly to this page when they opt into your email list, if that's the way you want to do it, rather than doing it this way. Now, I've kept these pages kind of unbranded. In other words, I didn't put my name on here. I didn't, say, hey, it's me, King, none of that shit, so that you can use it. I want you to be able to benefit from this, right? So that's what's going on here. You now have a killer asset that you can use to make money. So just come to onlineincomemagazine.com and check it out. Check out all the things that are on here, but mainly you want to download this magazine. Or you can, like I say, you can set up a page like this. And if you're really lazy and you don't want to make pages or anything, you don't want to do much of anything, from here, you can send people directly to this page and they can download their magazine every month. I'm not branding this. I'm not making people opt in so that it's more usable for you, right? So you can do that. You can send people from your opt-in page directly to this magazine, Online Income Magazine, right? And you're going to get the opt-ins because you got the opt-in right here. You collected the email address, and then from there, you've sent them either to this page, the congratulations page, and you've got a follow-up sequence of emails scheduled. And the first email is going to be a welcome email that delivers their magazine. And you can do that in a couple of ways. You can either send them a file attachment via Dropbox or A Drive or any of that stuff, a link to that, or again, you can send them directly to this page, or you can send them to this page, the download page, once you've sent them the welcome email. Got that? Cool beans, huh? Look at all the work I've done for you. This is crazy, right? Who else is going to do this for you and give it to you for free? I don't know. So anyway, that's what's going on. The other thing you could do is you could sell a subscription, a monthly subscription, charge, I don't know, maybe $2 for the magazine, right? You don't want to charge a whole lot for it because you don't want to gouge anybody. And you can, then what you're doing by charging them maybe $2 is you're building a buyer's list of people that get on your email list. And even though it's $2, a buyer's list, these are people that have actually cracked their wallet. And they've shown they're willing to spend money to make money. So that's an option for you as well. There will be a new magazine on this page every month. And my plan is to post the new magazine issue on the 1st. And then once a few magazines have been posted, I'll have a link up here to back issues so you can get access to the back issues. But anyway, there it is, guys. I hope this made sense to you. I hope you understand how you can use this to make money yourself. It's a free asset that you can use. It's done for you. It'll be done for you every month. You can come back here and grab a new issue and use it, like I say, to grow your email list. You can sell it. You can grow your social media following. It's, you're only limited by your imagination. So don't hawk me Kopf, and make a comment below and let me know what you think and how you do with this. Cheers.